Okay, hello dear friends. So here I have Chinese 白菜, 小白菜, and maitake mushroom. So I will cook them. Let me turn on the fire so that we will not waste time. And this one, now let's take a look. We will do it pretty simple. So because I just cleaned the house, so I do not want to put oil first to get a lot of splash. So this is maitake mushroom, and it's very delicious. It has a lot of taste, but different from shiitake mushroom. This one different from shiitake mushroom. I think the flavor seems a bit milder than shiitake mushroom. Not so, it's even milder than shiitake mushroom, but the texture is stronger than shiitake mushroom. So we put it in. And mushroom, you do not need to wash it. And I do not wash it because when you cook something so hot, so hot temperature with oil, with the heat, all the bacteria will be killed. Don't worry about it. So I put some salt first. Hello. I heard a lot of friends now say hello when they cook. That's a very good idea. Bye-bye. And pepper, Anna say hello. Hello. Bye-bye. We use salt and pepper. Let me see what it is inside. Hello. This one is a mixture of cumin seed, mustard seed, anything that can be ground and not too much flavor or taste. I don't like too flavorful things. So it's very hot now. This way there is no oil splash. Now I will cover with some vegetable. No, I need to put some oil because it's relatively dry. This is normal cooking oil and it's relatively good. It smells good. I used the strongest fire, so you can cover it up a little bit. In Chinese cooking, usually we use very strong fire, but not covering it up. But I am here, and I do not want to clean up the kitchen too much because it will be a lot of work. So I cover it up. Okay, I turn the fire slower. So it's a little teeny tiny little bit browned. Cover it up. Turn on the fire stronger. And I didn't use salt. I didn't use ginger, onion, garlic, and things. I have a very limited taste bud. As I grow old, I use less and less condiments or spice. No curry, no cardamom, no 5 spice, especially for this kind of very clean vegetable. You do not need to put too many things. You want to have the pure flavor of the vegetables. So I turn the fire slower because every time when I open up the lid, I turn the fire slower. Okay, put in vegetables. Stronger the fire. Okay, I need to turn on the ventilation. Excuse me. Okay. So I turn the fire slower now. Every time when I open the lid, turn the fire stronger, cover it up. In 2 more minutes, it will be good. Let's count it. 2 more minutes. Now it's 6:50 until 8:50. We will be good. Okay. And I put the ventilation a little bit slower. 好，我们今天是鱼吧？太好了。你说你有3个对，bagel sandwich。我今天就想买bagel，刚刚合适。Okay, so this is 7 something. We have 1.5 minutes to go. Let's take a look. Every time when I open the lid, I turn the fire slower so that it will not splash. Oh, look at it, how beautiful. Turn the fire stronger. 给我1分钟。No， 给我38秒钟。Okay, now this is good. And if you like it a bit softer, 1 more minute will be good. Otherwise, the total cooking, something like 8 to 10 minutes. Fresh vegetable, it is beautiful by itself. Okay, we are done. Take this out. Some mushroom on top. This one is purely for picture, so it looks pretty. I have already stopped the fire. And that is it. Bon appetito. Enjoy.